Welcome to Hannah's Creations, inspired by the words of God. Today is Sunday, March 7, 2021, in Canada, near Toronto, Ontario. Today's verse is Isaiah 40:31, KJV, King James Version. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Today's fourth vlog is about German Rex breed of cat. Please wait and watch. Thank you.
First of all, let me tell you about the German Rex breed of cat. The German Rex is a small to medium-sized breed of cat who appears to be a large cat as he stands so high on his legs. This breed of cat originated in Germany. As you notice, he is a muscular cat and playful. Do you know that he jumps so high with stamina? He loves to be with human parents. The German Rex has a round head with large ears and eyes. His tail is medium in length, while his legs are long and slender. He has a strong chin, and his coat is silky, short, and curls naturally. His lifespan is about 9 to 15 years. He is friendly and very intelligent. So, please consider a German Rex breed of cat. German Rex, chasing the light. See? Kick! He caught the ball. He caught, whoop, whoop. Are you tired? Are you tired? Huh? Are you tired? No more playing? Oh, shy? Where are you going? No more? No more? Kick. Kick. Shy? Shy? Camera shy? He got tired. Now he's in his box bed. Aw. He knows he's in camera. See? Yes. He's listening. Now he's looking. Look at the handsome boy. Someone is grooming. German Rex. What are you doing there? Oh my goodness, you can't be seen in the camera. You can't be seen anymore. See? See, you can't be seen. Nappy, nappy? Nappy, nappy? Huh? Someone is in bed. Grooming. See? big boy. Big boy. See? Big boy. German Rex. Look how big he is. See? Inside my blanket. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. See? See? There he is. A big boy. German Rex. Peekaboo. Napi-napi. Big boy. Big boy.